How to fix Meet Me app login problem. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. First of all, check if your internet is working properly. Then head to the Play Store. Tap on the search icon and search for Meet Me. Now check for updates. If it's available, click on update icon. After updating, go back to your home screen. Now open up settings. Now scroll down and click on apps. Tap on App Management and search for Meet Me. Now tap on Meet Me, click on Force Stop. Now go to Storage Uses. Now tap on Clear Data. Tap on Delete and restart the application. I hope this should fix the issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See see you in the next video.